Dear student, today we will teach about the model of nuclei. How many models were given to explain the behavior and size and structure of nuclei. Nuclei is basically defined by the Rutherford after his the great experiment and first time he defined the nuclei. The nuclei is a criteria or a short range area where whole mass of nuclei and positive charge are confined. That short range area is called nuclei. But before this concept, there were many models. They were trying to explain the behavior, nature, and structure of atom, but they couldn't get success. Here, after when Rutherford defined nuclei and give his structure which is like planetary structure, so there were many objection on Rutherford experiments and its structure, that how it possible that continuously electrons can move surround this positive charge. On the basis of electrodynamics, it was also restricted that when a charge is moving continuously in a circular path, then any moment when it is passing through here, then the velocity is direction in sign of arrow. On the other hand, the acceleration which produced in front of center, and as continues same like here when it comes at that point, and the direction of oscillations is towards to center and continuously. As the result of this, there is a accelerated motions, and when a charge is accelerated, then it will radiate energy. Then it how is possible that a nuclei can stay for more long time, and it shows then unexistence of atoms. To remove this backdrop, there were some conclusions comes out to explain what is the exactly nuclei. Some scientists says that the nuclei is made of proton plus electron. It was the first concept in which, but number of proton was twice than number of electron, so it was best fitted for to explain the mass of nuclei and the positive charges on nuclei. But after new theories arises, the scientists noticed some features are like that which can't be explained on this proton electron model. This model was called proton electron model. In according to this, the nuclei is consist of proton and neutrons, and proton are the two times of number of electrons. But it was not satisfied some theory that it can't explain the why nitrogen 74 is so nucleons integer value. Then to explain this hypothesis, when Chadwick in 1932, when he discovered a new particle which was first time called neutron. The neutron was discovered. Before discovering of neutron, the neutron was just taken as a gamma rays by scientists, but first time in to explain experiment of beryllium with the scattering of alpha particles, Chadwick declared that gamma ray which are emitted by beryllium, that's not a ray, that is a particles, but the particle which is has charge 0 and mass equal to mass of proton. So first time the Chadwick find out the neutrons. After discovering the neutrons, scientists took a new view into explains the structure of nuclei, and they took a new idea and new hypothesis to explain nuclei. In according to this hypothesis, it was assumed that the nuclei, here we can see that this is the nuclei, it is zoomed at here. The nuclei is just consist of proton and neutrons, and the electrons are take arbitrary cycle and revolute this nuclei. Then after sometimes they faces new problem after taking the proton and neutron in different way. It is not satisfied with quantum mechanics, so Huygens put up a new idea. First time he is called proton plus neutron is nucleon. The nucleon means that we are, if we are talking only nucleons, there is no matter that is a protons or a neutrons. It may be proton, it may be neutrons. If I would like to say that here I have a helium atom here. Here is the mass of 4, which shows that this nuclei of helium atom has 4 nucleons. It is different concept that it is the 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So protons and neutrons are called nucleons of a nuclei. Now after that time it is the continuous moving on that protons and neutrons are the fundamental particles of a atoms, and they includes a nuclear and the construct nuclei. After new theories, new experiment put up new ideas, they believe and has experiment set up and experimental data to show that the protons and neutron are not a separate, neither self-constructed, because it is constructed by another particles. These are pion, muon, and etc. These are called elementary particles. Now it is believed that any nuclei of any atoms don't have a particular particles, because the nuclei of a atoms is made of a large number of particles. That particles may be pion, kaons, zeta, any elementary particles. By help of that antiparticles made protons or neutrons, and protons and neutrons made a nuclei. So it is the new concept of nuclear model. In next class we will talk about experiments that shows that what is the density of a nucleus. Thank you.